सो क्रिस्टल, मैनी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस। थोड़े दिन पहले जो हम देख रहे थे कि स्क्रीन बर्न होने वाली है, बहुत कुछ हो रहा था, बहुत एक्साइटिंग था। फाइनली गाना बाहर आ गया, रिलीज हो गया और काफी पसंद आ रहा है। मैंने खुद गाने को देखा, बहुत मजा आया देखकर, बहुत अच्छा लगा। हाउ इज गोइंग विथ यू?
Thank you so much. It's been amazing, in these times also to come out with something exciting, something new. I feel like I feel a little extra blessed in these times, touch wood. But yes, my song Ek Bewafa is out, and people are loving it. I'm getting some amazing reviews. It's bold, it's beautiful, it's different, and people are asking me for part two. Yeah, they're saying कि you know what, इतना काफी नहीं था, और चाहिए.
हाँ, एक्चुअली मैं भी देख रही थी एंड इट वाज लाइक यार थोड़ा और देखना था मुझे. It was so nice.
Yeah, it's a whole story. These things about music videos these days, and of course, Tips team and Adil Sheikh have really gotten into the detail of it. कि ये music video सिर्फ music video नहीं बना है, ये पूरी एक कहानी बनी है. It's like a short film. It's a proper short film जहाँ पे betrayal है, love है, lust है, और सब 3.5 minutes के अंदर है.
Correct.
So I feel like it's a little short film that I did. I totally enjoyed doing it.
Yeah,
and of course this song is so nostalgic.
Yeah, there is a small story. It's not a small story, but it's a long story. I can see, जो आप ध्यान से देखते हो, and you can feel it actually. It's not that कि forward करके देखो, you can feel it. So tell me, how did it?
और ये ऐसा गाना है ही नहीं, इतनी अच्छी आवाज है, इतना सूदिंग है that you just feel like गाना इतना सूदिंग है, लेकिन यहाँ पे तो बेवफाई की बातें हो रही है. It's a mixture of everything.
So ये आया कैसे? Tell me about it. What is behind the scene? Like क्या idea था इसका? किस तरह से offer हुआ? Tell me about it.
So I got a call from Tips team and they said they have a music video and they wanted an innocent face that could betray, and they thought of me.
Oh my God.
So I said, okay, that makes sense. Then I asked कि गाना क्या है? They said एक remake है, हम भेज रहे हैं आपको. I heard this song and I was like, बचपन में I really wanted to be a part of this. When I saw Akshay Kumar, Kareena Kapoor in it, I was like, यार, बड़े होके कभी मुझे इस पे acting करनी है, इस पे कुछ करना है. And I got to do that. So when I heard the song, I was game. Then they told me that Adil Sheikh is there, a choreography team is there, everyone's going to put things together. When I heard the concept, I was like, wow, there's so much to perform in a song of a music video. Why not? And then we have amazing star cast as well. We have Siddharth Gupta, and we have Akshay, and they both were phenomenal. Everyone was doing their part so well. Obviously, under the captainship of our director Adil Sheikh. I think together the whole team just made it happen.
True, and we can see that actually, yeah. So and your look is fab, yeah. मतलब आप क्या दिख रही हो? Seriously. The green gown.
थोड़ा bold जरूर है, लेकिन it's something that was necessary. It's something that makes the video what it is. And if not for that, I think थोड़ा सा रह जाता, थोड़ा सा कुछ खटकता. लेकिन इसमें सब it's seeming flawless. It's seeming like यही था, यही होना था. I love how it's shot. I love the costumes. I love the look of everything. The masks, everything was looking on point.
हाँ, वही मैं बोल रही थी कि हर चीज इतनी सही तरीके से की गई है ना कि आप कुछ पॉइंट आउट नहीं कर सकते and you are just watching it and you want to watch more and more. It's like that. So मुझे भी वो रिंग के बाद देखना है कि वो रिंग जब हाथ में आता है उसके बाद क्या होता है.
Season 2.
Tell me about the shooting, everything. It was during the lockdown or बीच में जब गैप आया था, कैसे शूट हुआ था इसका?
ये बीच में जब गैप आया था, I think before Christmas, around 23rd December, हमने तब शूट किया था. And एक दिन में ये खत्म हो गया था most of the काम. फिर दूसरे दिन को 2 घंटे का काम था. But it was very well organized, very well taken care of with all protocols, even though there was that open window of shooting during those days. But everyone was tested, everyone was sanitized, every 2 minutes protocols taken care of. It's very difficult to shoot in these times, but the whole team of Tips was very professional. They made sure we get our tests, we get our results, we do everything according to protocols. And that's why I was so comfortable shooting as well, because that you're around people that are safe. And in these times, it's very important to do that, not for yourself, but for more people that you meet, like your family, your friends. If you're going to go home to them, you don't want to give them something and you don't want them to suffer because of you. So we shot it around 23rd December and in 1.5 day. And yeah, in Bombay, it was beautiful.
एंड मैंने लास्ट जो स्लेट देखा था वो एक बहुत अच्छा ट्रिब्यूट आप लोगों ने दिया है श्रवण जी को. सो ये काफी अच्छा लगा मुझे और काफी इमोशनल था कायदे से कहा जाए तो. सो ये इट्स रियली फेल्ट गुड यार कि मतलब वो जो गाना एक ओरिजिनल जो कंपोजिंग थी उन्होंने किया था साथ में मिलके, नदीम श्रवण जी का था, और अभी वो नहीं है. और एक जो एंड स्लेट आया वो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग था. सो टेल मी अबाउट दैट. ये लास्ट मोमेंट पे हुआ होगा आई गेस.
नहीं, ये हमें पता था क्योंकि you know I feel like you have to give credit where it's due. And somebody has left back a legacy of things. Somebody has left back their hard work. We just can't take full credit for somebody else's hard work. So it was credit due given, and the times, the songs, those composing days were so different. इमेजिन कि हम तब के गाने अभी भी वापस सुन रहे हैं, अभी भी रीमेक्स बना रहे हैं, क्योंकि they were different, they were big, they were grand, they were out of the box. So that is something that from all of our heart, it was due. It was a credit that was supposed to be given and given rightfully so. Everybody that was on floor on the project realized that this is something that needs to happen, and of course it's tips takes care of such little things that this is something that was I think first on their mind. Okay. Give credit where it's due.
Okay, that's really great. अच्छा, tell me, does it really matter with you कि गाना रिलीज हुआ, ट्रेंड कर रहा है, कौन से नंबर गया, कितने टाइम में ट्रेंड में गया, सोशल मीडिया पे कितना बज क्रिएट किया हुआ है, ये मैटर करता है आपको, या खुद का सेटिस्फेक्शन या गाना हिट हो गया वही बहुत है?
गाना हिट हो ना हो, numbers आए ना आए, you at the end of the day know कि you did your job with honesty or not. तो मेरे लिए वो इम्पोर्टेंट है कि मैंने पूरे ऑनेस्टी से वो कैरेक्टर निभाया, मुझे अच्छा लगा, मुझे अब देख के अच्छा लग रहा है कि अच्छा काम किया. आई लीव इट एट दैट. मुझे ये नहीं हर 2-2 घंटे में मैं जाके चेक नहीं कर सकती कि कितने नंबर्स आए, क्या आए, क्यों. इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ कोर्स होता था, व्हेन माय फर्स्ट म्यूजिक वीडियो वाज आउट और पहला जो शो निकला उसके थोड़े से रिव्यूज आप देखते हैं, लेकिन यू गेट यूज्ड टू इट. एज एन आर्टिस्ट यू हैव टू not get married to a project. You have to work on it and move on. It's a fling, it's not a marriage.
ओके, टेलीविजन से थोड़ी सी दूर नजर आ रही है मुझे, क्या चल रहा है? डेली सोप वगैरह में इंटरेस्ट है, नहीं है? व्हाट इज हैपनिंग एक्चुअली?
मुझे ना अच्छे स्क्रिप्ट्स में इंटरेस्ट है, अच्छे कैरेक्टर्स में इंटरेस्ट है. तो अगर वो डेली सोप में बने, वो वेब शोज में बने, वो फिल्म्स में बने, वो म्यूजिक वीडियोस में बने, मैं वो करने के लिए तैयार हूँ. बट आई नीड अ गुड स्क्रिप्ट. आई नीड समथिंग दैट्स टुडेस टाइम, दैट आई नो आई कैन डू जस्टिस टू. टीवी मुझे अभी भी, I feel like TV's made me what I am. I have the utmost respect for TV. Also, I feel TV is the toughest from all the mediums. आप चाहे फिल्म कर लो, आप वेब शो कर लो, आप म्यूजिक वीडियो कर लो, लेकिन जो टीवी एक्टर्स है, जो टीवी पे काम करते हैं, वो सबसे हार्ड वर्किंग होते हैं, वो सबसे डेडिकेटेड होते हैं और सबसे ज्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबल होते हैं. क्योंकि हमें स्क्रिप्ट्स एक दिन पहले भी नहीं मिलते, हमें स्क्रिप्ट्स ऑन सेट मिलते हैं, हमारा टेलीकास्ट कल का होता है. So the pressure is a lot, and to perform under that pressure is not everybody's cup of tea. So TV is something I truly respect. Having said that, yes, I enjoy doing web shows and films more, because like I said, you can't get married to a project, and TV projects go on forever and ever and ever, and to have that kind of commitment is not something I look forward to at this point in my life. I want to do a lot of work, and I want to do different work, and that's not going to be possible if I get tied down to one TV show. I want to do different kinds of characters. So made movies, music videos, web shows that have only 20 days of shoot or whatever. So you get to play a character and then you get to move on. बट टीवी शोज में वो नहीं हो पाता, तो इसीलिए थोड़ा सा मैं दूर दिख रही हूँ. लेकिन अगर कोई ऐसा कैरेक्टर आए जो आई फील लाइक I wouldn't mind spending 1 year on this character, I would 100% go for it.
Tell me about Chehre. Super exciting.
Chehre.
Super exciting it is, yeah.
100%. It's my first film, and who would have ever thought that you could do a first film with Amitabh Bachchan ji? I mean, I thought, in my lifetime वो possible नहीं हो पाएगा. लेकिन my first film with such a big, I can't even call him a star. He's bigger than that. He's the universe. And, it was a privilege working with him. Honestly, he's so humble, so warm, and more than anything, so professional. He respects your time. He gives you all his time when you need to work with him. So about Cherry, unfortunately, we got release dates 2 times, but during the pandemic we were not able to release. And my producer Anand Pandit is a little optimistic about releasing it only in the theaters, because it's a film made with that kind of grandeur, that it should come out only in big screens, is his belief, and I believe it too, because we've put in a lot of hard work in the film. We've put in we planned that this will be in a movie theater, and we are hopeful that things will get better with time. So looking at the bright side of things, we are releasing in the theaters very soon when things become okay. And I'm going to say very soon again, because I want to put this positive energy out in the universe.
So थोड़ा तो अपने character के बारे में बताइए, थोड़ा सा अगर आप बता सकती है तो, if you're allowed to say something, so please tell us about that.
I can't really say much about it right now, because we are not even in the promotion phase of it. But my character is of Natasha Oswal, and the whole film is about a murder mystery thriller. It's a lot of, it'll keep you on your toes till the end of it, from the beginning to the end. Even if you blink, you'll miss. So it's a very interesting film that you have to be present for, and you have to, like there are a lot of twists, turns, plot twists, and we have a stellar cast. Like we have Imran Hashmi, we have Amitabh Bachchan, Anu Kapoor, Siddhant. We have like a great cast. Raghuveer, everyone is so good at what they do, and all of them coming together making this film with our director Rumi Jaffrey. It is going to be a plot twist at every 15 minutes. Like it'll keep you at the edge of your chest. I can't reveal much, because in a murder mystery thriller you can't really reveal much.
But I have seen the trailer and many times, I'll tell you, because वो देख के अच्छा लगता है और वो interesting है. जैसे आपने बोला कि you can't say, I can't do that, मतलब वो देखना ही है. Like you said, आपका जो गाना है, it's the same thing. I can't forward it, because it has a very sweet story.
Yes, but please forward it to all your friends and family.
Of course, why not? It's so interesting. मैं तो teaser ही देख रही थी, मुझे लगा interview से पहले होगा तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पूछने को नहीं हो पाएगा, because we were supposed to do, but in the afternoon, yeah. But finally release के बाद कर रहे हैं, तो I know everything about the song, yeah. So what about web series? Any future project coming up, especially for web series?
Currently nothing, because no new projects are actually going on floor. जो already ongoing projects है वही on floor है. नए projects तो on floor नहीं जा रहे हैं, तो फिलहाल nothing else is coming up. I was only looking forward to Ek Bewafa, which is out today, and then of course चेहरे, जो कभी ना कभी आएगा.
बिल्कुल आएगा. ओके, कुशल, एक चीज और, अभी लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, सब लोग घर पे बैठे हैं, किस तरह से आप खुद का ख्याल रख रही हैं, क्या क्या कर रही हैं? शायद आपके कुछ मैसेजेस आपके फैंस को काम आ जाए. सो टेल मी अबाउट दैट, हाउ यू आर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ.
तो मैं गोवा आई थी कुछ काम के लिए 15th of April, और मैं यहीं पे हूँ. I'm locked down here. I don't want to travel right now, because I don't feel like it's safe. The day I know I have to travel because of work, or because things are better, I will. But for now, I am in Goa. I am thankfully locked down in a place that is more secluded, and I have at least a beach to look at, and my room that I come back to. It's a cottage that's bang opposite of beach. So that's the best side of it. But I am staying very safe. I am staying in. I'm not interacting with people. And if I ever have to step out for essentials, which I have to, I double mask. I sanitize my hands. I'm staying safe. I'm keeping my 6-foot distance from people. And I urge everyone to go apply for your vaccination if you are above the age of 18, like I have, and get vaccinated, because that's the only way we can stop this wave from increasing and get the numbers down.
That's really great. Well, thank you so much, and all the very best.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Yes, you too. Stay safe. Bye.
Bye.